Hey everyone, welcome back to English Language and Literature. Today, we are diving into an essential grammar topic, that is active voice. Whether you're writing an essay, speaking fluently, or just improving your English, understanding active voice will make your sentences clearer and stronger. So let's get started. So what is active voice? Active voice is when the subject of a sentence is performing the action. It's direct, clear, and more engaging. Let's look at an example. The cat chased the mouse. Here, the cat, which is the subject, is doing the action, chased, and the mouse, that is the object, is receiving the action. So why use active voice? Well, active voice is more useful because it makes sentences clearer, it keeps writing concise, and it sounds more engaging and natural. So for example, if we say it in passive voice, the mouse was chased by the cat, it sounds longer and less direct. That's why active voice is preferred. So how to identify active voice? To check if a sentence is an active voice, ask yourself these questions. 1. Who is performing the action? That's the subject. 2. Is the subject appearing before the verb? 3. Is the object receiving the action? If the answer is yes to all, your sentence is an active voice. Now, let's test your understanding. Identify whether these sentences are an active or passive voice. Comment down below and tell me what you think. The teacher explained the lesson. The cake was baked by my mom. She wrote a beautiful poem. Great job. If you said 1 and 3 are active, then you're correct. Second sentence is passive. That's a wrap on active voice. Remember, using active voice will make your sentences more clearer and more direct. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to English Language and Literature. Bye.